Hello friends, it's time for another vintage radio restoration. Let's begin. This radio, it's a state of the art. It's made in Russia in 75 and now it's in a pretty good shape. It looks good and it works. Only problem with this radio is that tuning it's not working. As you can see, I turned the knob, but the stick it's not moving. Let's open and solve the problem. Now let's see what we have under the cover. This is the battery place. It works with 6 R20 batteries. They are put all in series. And this needs 9 volts and 100 milliamps. Now let's see how we can reach to the tuning part. I hope that I didn't break anything, but unfortunately I will have to glue these parts. Now this is the inside. This is the button for the light. Now let's see why this is not working. I can turn only in this is slippery, and now this should come back. Let's see why it's not working. If I help this with my hand, it will go left, but will not go right because it's slipping. Something is slippery here. Now let's see what we can do. Everything seems in perfect shape, and this small rope is in very good shape. Now let's take away this plate to see what we have underneath. It seems that this plate is not easy to take out. Now let's see what's the cause and the cause of the problem. As you can see, these two wheels are not moving. As you can see, the solution was very simple. You just have to add a little lubricant on these plastic wheels and on this tuning capacitor, because this tuning capacitor, it's very old and was turning very hard, but now it's turning very easy. And I can bet that if you have a radio like this, you have to do this trick. Now it's working perfect. Now let's put everything together and make a test. Now let's test again. It's working very easy and very fine. Let's test the lamps. The lamps are good. Let's put it back. I forgot to repair that broken pieces, so I will glue together all these parts. So I let this dry and I will be back. So I've put everything back, and now let's make some tests. Let's check this tuning. Tuning works perfect. Now let's power this up. I will use this 9 volts from my power supply. Let's power. Now it's on short wave, needs a proper antenna. Now let's test medium wave.
Ce? Deficitul din nou?
Nu!
50 de miliarde de bani.
Железная логика. Ее ведущий Сергей Михеев уверен, что вы должны это видеть.
Теперь мы не только говорим, но и показываем. Пора...
So I have to say this radio, it's a piece of art, because now 50 years later it's still working perfect and has a good sensitivity. The light is working, but it's very, very weak. I hope that you can see. This doesn't have frequency modulation because in those years was not very common, and just later they added this feature to the radios. I hope that I've inspired you to restore your radio if you have a vintage radio like this. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.